Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit. Today I've installed the standard Starline Immobiliser, which is a no wires cut canvas immobiliser system. And the way it works, if a thief gets the key or does a relay attack, they go to start the vehicle up. It's going to start up, but as soon as they select a gear to drive away, it's not going to go into gear. So as you see, it goes straight back into park, or reverse is the same. So for the customer to drive it, they've got to pop a push sequence in or turn the Bluetooth on their connected phone. So the Bluetooth's on. This has an adjustable range, so you don't need to turn it on and off all day long, just for demonstration purposes. We've turned the Bluetooth on, we've heard our melody, and we can drive. There you go, it stays in gear. Obviously, if the customer just turns up, they don't have to go into the app. The phone can be locked and in their pocket. Walk up to the vehicle, within range, it's going to disarm, and when they start it up, there's no need for a code. So if we just start it up, hear our disarm tone, we can drive straight away. If the customer doesn't want to use the phone, or it's gone flat one day while they're out, what they'll have to do is start the vehicle up, go through a push sequence of their choosing. So for this, we've left it as left, right, hear a melody, and we can drive. As you can see, it's staying in gear, not hopping out. Once again, this is the standard Starline Immobiliser, a no wires cut canvas system that protects the vehicle from key cloning and relay attack. To get one of these installed, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit, and once again, this is a no wires cut canvas immobiliser that stops the thief from selecting a gear if they clone your key. Thanks for watching.